And I also read that you're very hands-on with training your staff as well. Would you like
Absolutely.
to expand a bit on that for us?
Well, I would love to, and there's only so much time, but what I can explain to you is that we first discussed the psychology of selling. The fact that if someone's bilingual, even with a slight accent, David, it does bear the mark of higher education. So I will let them know immediately that what they have done to prepare to being in a bilingual job is 10 times harder than what I'm about to show them.
Yeah.
Secondly, I encourage them to study the thesaurus, so they can learn similes of words, so they can expand their vocabulary and be more diplomatic and tactful and strategic to avoid any sort of rabbit holes, but to be able to expand their sort of expressions. And then I will make sure that they have all the resources to succeed. A lot of the times there's fear because they just weren't prepared. So I will make sure that you have your scripture rebuttals. We have a quality assurance department, so we can listen to the calls and grade them and do specific coaching. So as long as I can give them, David, positive reinforcement, momentum, and wind in their sales, there's no reason why they shouldn't be able to excel in this sort of industry. And you're not going to believe this, that agents at a call center, if they do well, they can actually earn more than an attorney and a doctor in Costa Rica. So I have some extremely talented agents that are at the center.